Every morning, I lie there sleeping, while my peace is destroyed by a god-awful beeping. My dreams shattered, sudden and drastic, by this evil, awful, red-eyed chunk of plastic. I roll over in pain and hammer on the snooze, grumbling, groaning, thinking, why must this thing torture me so? Don't make me get up just 5 more minutes, the same thing I've said every morning before.
It's not that I'm a morning person or dread the coming of day.
It's just that I hate waking up this way.
I'd rather wake up along with the light, shining through the window, glowing, beaming, and bright.
But the sudden screaming, the unbearable fuss, makes me want to scream, cry, and begin to cuss.
Oh my god, what the sleep?
Especially the knowledge that all of my sorrow will be repeated the same time, same way, tomorrow.
With all the work we have to do in school, the last thing I need is an alarm clock to stop me from sleeping. That beeping of the clock is like a siren on a fire truck, signaling chaos and danger, that danger being school. I am a being capable of free will and intelligence, but taking orders from a machine is just too much. It's just not fair, man. It's not fair.
What are you doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, calm down.
It's recording. It's recording.
I know it's recording.
1, 2, 3. Why are you actually hitting it?
Okay, guys.
Or I dread the coming of day. Or I dread the coming of day.
It's just that I hate waking up.
I'm a morning person, or dread the coming of day. I'm a morning person, or dread the coming of day.
It's just that I hate waking up. Okay, I didn't do it.
For what?
You said tell you when.
You said when. You said go. You said when.
When?
Hurry up, go.